I'm Bonnie with WTI. Today I want to show you my black ballerina isotoner women's slippers. I love these things. I wear them everywhere, when I have on a skirt, when I'm wearing pants, or walking around the house, inside, outside. I wear them everywhere, and they're really nice to drive in. They have a good leather sole. Another thing I like about these is that if they do get dirty wearing them, I can throw them in the washer. I have washed these countless times and they still look good. I like the durability of them for slippers. They last a long time. And the price is so reasonable. You can't beat that. You're protected. I don't have to worry about slipping off the gas pedal. I can feel the gas pedal through these. And that's my point of view.